In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get paid instant payouts on Stripe. If you're running a business and using Stripe as your payment processor, you might have noticed that waiting for payouts can sometimes take a little longer than you'd like. Fortunately, there's a way to speed this up with Stripe's instant payouts feature. Let's dive right into it. First things first, you'll want to log into your Stripe account. Once you're on your homepage, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you haven't already. It's always a good idea to know where everything is, even if you use Stripe frequently. Next, look towards the top right corner of your screen, where you'll see the Settings option. Go ahead and click on that. This is where you can manage most of the configurations for your account, and it's crucial for setting up things like instant payouts. After you've clicked on Settings, the next step is to find and click on Connect. This is a section where Stripe allows you to manage your connected accounts and other related settings. It's essentially the hub for all things payout related. Once in the Connect section, you'll see an option for Payouts. Clicking here will bring you to a page where you can manage and configure how you receive funds from Stripe. This is where the magic happens for instant payouts. Now, look for the Instant Payouts option and click on it. This feature is designed to get your funds into your bank account almost immediately. However, keep in mind that instant payouts are not available in all countries and banks, so it's essential to check the eligibility for your location. Finally, we need to do a little more homework. Click on View Docs to review the terms and conditions associated with instant payouts. This documentation is vital as it outlines whether your country is supported, which banks are eligible, and other important details that could affect how you receive your funds. And that's it. You've now configured your Stripe account to enable instant payouts, allowing you to access your funds much faster than standard payout schedules. Remember, always stay informed about any changes to Stripe's policies or features by regularly checking their documentation. This way, you can ensure your business operations run smoothly and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, be sure to subscribe for more tutorials. See you in the next one.